So question 2, give it a go. So for part A, we've got to simplify this to give it as so many powers of so many lots of the square root of 2. So start off by breaking both of these down to being really multiples of 2. So 32, well 16 times 2 is 32, so basically it's the square root of 16 times 2, which breaks down to two separate square roots, the square root of 16 times the square root of 2. Similarly 18, well 9 2's are 18, so that's the square root of 9 times 2, which can be thought of as the square root of 9 times the square root of 2. So obviously the square root of 16 is 4, so that's 4 lots of root 2. Square root of 9 is 3, so that's 3 lots of root 2. 4 lots and 3 lots just gives us 7 lots of root 2. Now for part B, let's start off by replacing the numerator with its simplified form. So rather than having root 32 plus root 18 as the numerator, let's pop 7 root 2 as the numerator. Obviously the denominator stays the same. Now to rationalize this, to get rid of having a square root on the bottom, which is what the question is asking us to do, we choose to multiply top and bottom by what's presently on the bottom, but with a change of sign. So it's not 3 plus root 2 we're timesing by, but 3 minus root 2. So then we just have to work this across, so sort of picture brackets around these two. So it's really the claw to start off with. 7 root 2 times 3, 7 root 2 times minus root 2 gives us these two on the numerator, and then really we've got a pair of brackets on the bottom, so just do your FOIL, so 3 times 3, 3 times minus root 2 plus root 2 times 3 and plus root 2 times minus root 2 gives us these 4 terms on the bottom. Now because we've done this change of sign, we will find that the two middle terms, the two square root terms, cancel out, just leaving us with whole numbers on the bottom, which is the 9 and the minus 2. 9 take away 2 is 7, so basically we've got the numerator over 7, so we can then spread the dividing by 7 over both terms. So 21 root 2 over 7 is 3 root 2, and minus 14 over 7 is minus 2.